Let's talk about the natural makeup look, the "I woke up like this" vibe, where you look effortlessly fresh, as if you just rolled out of bed glowing. But it's not just about skipping makeup, it's about looking a little more polished, subtly enhancing what's already there. The secret? It's all about enhancing your features, not hiding them. Think soft, dewy skin, a hint of color on your cheeks, and lashes that look naturally long. Perfect for busy mornings. This routine is quick, comfortable, and lets your real self shine through, so you can start your day feeling confident and put together. This look works everywhere, whether you're heading to class, the office, or just grabbing coffee with friends. It's always appropriate and never overdone. It whispers confidence and authenticity in a world full of filters, letting your true personality and natural beauty take center stage. You don't need a ton of products or time. Just a few essentials like tinted moisturizer, mascara, and a touch of blush can make a big difference. It's beauty that feels effortless and real, giving you a fresh, radiant look that's uniquely yours. Ready to see how easy it is to achieve this look? Let's dive in and discover the magic of no makeup together. If you're new to makeup or just want a super easy routine, here's your no-fuss starter kit. All you need are a few essentials: a good moisturizer, a reliable concealer, cream blush for a pop of color, mascara to define your lashes, and a tinted lip balm for a hint of color and hydration. Start by smoothing on a moisturizer or tinted moisturizer. This step hydrates your skin, creates a fresh base, and if you choose a tinted one, gives you a subtle wash of color that evens out your complexion. Next, dab concealer only where you need it. Think under your eyes to brighten dark circles, or on any blemishes or redness you want to cover. You don't need to use it everywhere. Cream blush is your secret weapon for a natural, healthy glow. Just tap a little onto the apples of your cheeks and blend with your fingers for a seamless, radiant finish. A quick swipe of mascara instantly opens up your eyes, making you look more awake and refreshed. There's no need for heavy eyeliner or false lashes. Mascara alone does the trick for everyday wear. Finish your look with a tinted lip balm. It keeps your lips soft and moisturized, while adding just enough color to brighten your smile. It's easy to reapply throughout the day too. With just these 5 products, you can create a fresh, polished look that's perfect for school, work, or any casual day out. This routine is simple, budget-friendly, and designed especially for beginners who want to look put together without spending a lot of time or money. No complicated steps, no overwhelming choices, just real, visible results that boost your confidence and let your natural beauty shine. Let's see how to put it all together and create your own easy everyday makeup look. Here's your 5-minute routine. A simple, stress-free way to look and feel your best, even on the busiest mornings. Start with clean skin and apply moisturizer or tinted moisturizer evenly. This step hydrates your skin and creates a smooth, fresh base for the rest of your makeup, so you look naturally radiant all day. Dab concealer on dark circles or blemishes, then blend with your finger. Just a little goes a long way to brighten your eyes and even out your complexion, making you look more awake instantly. Smile and tap cream blush onto the apples of your cheeks, blending upward. This adds a healthy, natural flush and lifts your face, giving you a cheerful, lively glow. Swipe on one coat of mascara to your upper lashes. It opens up your eyes and makes them look bigger and brighter, with minimal effort. Finish with tinted lip balm for a natural pop of color. It keeps your lips soft and adds a subtle, fresh tint that ties your whole look together. That's it. Fresh, awake, and ready for anything. You'll look put together and confident, whether you're heading to work, school, or just out for coffee. No fancy tools, no stress. You can use just your fingers for most steps making this routine perfect for travel or busy days. This routine is quick, easy, and lets your natural beauty shine through. You'll feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. Practice a few times and you'll be a pro. Soon, you'll be able to do this routine with your eyes closed in just minutes. Now, let's talk about finding your perfect shades, because everyone's unique and your makeup should be too. Matching your products to your skin is key. Test tinted moisturizer or concealer on your jawline. It should disappear into your skin. For blush, pick a shade that mimics your natural flush. Fair skin? Try soft pinks. Medium? Go for mauves. Deep skin? Rich berries or terracotta. Lip balm should be just a shade or two deeper than your natural lips. Black mascara works for most, but try brown if you're very fair. Choose shades that make you feel confident and comfortable. Experiment until you find what feels like you. Always remove your makeup before bed. Your skin needs to breathe. Use a gentle remover, then wash your face and moisturize. Drink water, and give your skin makeup-free days to stay healthy. Clean your brushes and sponges weekly to avoid breakouts. Good skincare makes your makeup look even better. Remember, confidence is your best accessory. This routine is about feeling good in your own skin. Embrace your unique features and let your natural beauty shine. You've got this.